Don't blink, let me show you the power of science.
Don't blink.
An empty soda can can't stand on its side. But if you pour a quarter of a can of water into it, it can easily balance and stand on its side. This is due to the principle of torque balance.
Sure,
If you add milk to a
but
bottle
why?
of Coke and let it sit overnight, the Coke
But
turns
why?
clear and an unknown sediment forms. After seeing this, would you still dare to drink Coke and milk together? What do you do if you
No.
get chewing gum stuck to your pants and can't pull it off?
Throw
Just
them
put an
away.
ice cube on it and wait a bit. The gum will be easy to peel off.
Look at that.
Add
What?
some soda to a cup, then secretly pour in a little white vinegar. The mysterious gas that's created can put out 2 burning candles. This is the principle of carbon dioxide fire
Oh.
extinguishment. Wrap a few loops of cotton string around a glass bottle. Pour a little rubbing alcohol onto the string, then light it. After heating evenly, quickly dunk the bottle into ice water, and the bottle will split cleanly into 2. This is the
Oh.
principle of thermal expansion and contraction. A glass
Like
cup
glass?
shatters
Yeah.
when you tap it,
Whoa.
but if you tap it while it's in water, you can easily punch a hole in it. Why is that? Pour a little rubbing alcohol
Why
on some
is that?
sand, then
Tell
sprinkle
us,
a mixture
please.
of sugar and baking soda on top. Light it, and you'll see a black substance grow out of the sand. This is the famous Pharaoh's serpent experiment. Poke a hole in an unopened beer bottle cap and tap it gently. The beer will spray right out. If you put a frozen grape in
Okay.
ice water, the water will freeze around the grape instantly. That's the secret to instant ice. If you try to scoop rice with
Whoa.
a colander, it falls through. It's the same with cornmeal. But surprisingly, you can scoop up fine flour without a single drop leaking
Yeah,
out.
why?
If you stuff a piece of paper into a cup and turn it upside down in water, then lift the cup out after a few seconds, the paper
not
will
wet.
still be dry. This is due to atmospheric pressure. What if your air conditioner remote only has 1 battery? Just use a wire to connect the positive and negative terminals of the remote, and it'll work
What?
just fine. Why does this work? Pour vegetable
I
oil
don't
into
believe
a
that.
cup, add a few
I gotta
drops of
try
food
that.
coloring, then a little water, and finally, a few effervescent tablets. You can simulate the
What
spectacular
tablets?
sight of a deep-sea volcanic eruption.
Effervescent?
Put 2 bottle
is
caps
that?
on a magnet, cover
To
them with a
clean your
glass plate, and
dentures?
spin them.
Oh.
The spinning tops will slowly lift up. Then, if you remove the glass plate, they can float and spin in midair. That's the magic
Whoa.
of magnetic levitation. If you tap a glass bowl, it shatters. But if you put it in water
In
and then
water?
tap it with
We
a
learned
nail,
this.
you can make a perfectly round hole. This is because of the cushioning effect of the water. You have 3
Oh,
cups.
now they explained
And a
it.
4th empty cup. How do you distribute the water evenly among all
Yeah.
4? Just place a bent straw into the middle of the cups with water, and you'll see the water distribute itself into all 4 cups. This is the siphoning effect of
Does
water.
that actually
If you hit
work?
a glass bottle's mouth with a hammer, it won't break. But if you add a little water to the bottle and give it a light tap, the bottom will break off. This is the famous water hammer effect. Insert a chip
Water
and a copper
hammer
plate into a
effect.
potato, connect them with wires, and you can power a digital clock. This is an example of a galvanic cell. Put a piece of paper over the mouth of a water-filled bottle. Get
This is
rid of